Hey friend, welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to teach you source room. This room is available on TryHackMe. So now this room is very basics. You can easily exploit by the RC. So what you will learn in this room, how to how to get a privilege, and you will learn like how to use Metasploit. So now we have already a start machine. So we have this IP. So let's get a start. I will scan this IP. So now see nmap and something. So we have a two ports SSH and HTTP. SSH, this is not useful for me because we have no any credential can like get access. So I will move a 10,000 port. A 10,000 port is vulnerable by RC. So now I will check what kind of exploit, how to like get a privilege by the Metasploit. So exploit and see. Now Google gave me some information about this version. 1 point release contains and backdoor that allow to remote code executions, making it exploitable in its default and installation. This vulnerability right now you can see or not, you it gave me like information okay you can use these exploit. So now okay, of course I will do. And now see, this exploit is a I like this exploit on the exploit dev you can find. And also this exploit is available in Metasploit. So I will not use manual exploit because maybe it will like problem. Yeah, it can give me any issue. So I will use Metasploit module and exploit ms console and search clear and show option. Now first we need to set some useful option like rhost, lhost and ssl. it, it is very important for connection if you want to gain access of the machine. So you have to first know like uh, set true. Okay, so set rhost and this, and set lhost ifconfig. This is my IP and C, and set SSL and true because this is boolean value. So then I did add true and false. That's all, and run. You can like enter run, yeah, exploit, depend upon you. So I will use run. Now it gave me idea that this target is vulnerable. Now session 1 open. We got a meter reversal and we got in a like reversal. So I will use Python Python, Python script, because no, and ls. I will go root folder, home directory, cd and home, ls, cd dark and ls. Now cat user.txt. We got first flag, the first flag. This is okay. And now, because now listen, I did not like now give much time. I did not do anything. It automatically give me root privilege escalation without any further, without additional work. So this like this exploit is very very powerful and very useful. So option. Oh, I'm so sorry. Actually, ls, okay, and cd ls and cd root ls and cat root.txt. Now we got second flag. Now you can see. Now this is very easy lab. If you have experience so how to like use Metasploit and Nmap, so of course you can do. And thanks for the watching. I will make next video others lab.